It is. What day is it?
Saturday. No!
Sunday! Sunday the 5th of December. So welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. We're a little bit of a late start today. It's 9:15. We've had our breakfast, haven't we?
Yeah.
And what were your elves doing?
Sleeping in the bed.
And what did they have a note that said?
It's Sunday. We want a light in the elves.
And did we get a lie in?
No.
We did not. But we are now going to go and pick up a free dresser that Mummy's found on Facebook. Foxy's coming up. And then we're going to go to a garden centre because we're going to buy a shed for the garden. And my mum has very kindly said she will buy one for us. But we're going to open a box of goss. It's day number 5. Oh, Mummy loves this stuff. We had some of this last year and it was amazing. It is a soap. And
Can I touch it?
yeah, Mummy's got to try and work out how to open it again. It is the loveliest. Oh, it smells so good. It is like a foamy kind of weird squidgy soap, and it is amazing. Smell.
Beautiful.
It's just, I love this stuff. It's called Witch's Brew Shower Whip. So yeah, it's like a whipped kind of texture. It's like piped in. I absolutely love this. So yeah, I thought I would quickly show you my legs this morning because they looked fucking gross yesterday. Ari's already chosen her favourite. So we have the sun, and then we have the moon. So those are my knees. Which one is your favourite, Ari?
The moon.
You like the moon? Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, your hair's already done. You brushed it yourself, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well done. Do you want to go and get a hoodie? So we're going out because it's not too cold, but you probably want a little jumper on. And she's going to creep away. Like a little creepy. Her room is over there. I can see it. And she literally gets on the floor and then crawls across in the dark. It's terrifying. But yeah, that's the plan today. So we will take you along with us to do some sorting. Where's Foxy Man?
He's brushing his teeth.
Are you brushing your teeth, Foxy? Can I see? Where's Foxy? There he is. So we'll see in a bit. I just thought I'd show you as well. This is yesterday's Glossybox. Ready? I can't do it. You have to do it to yourself. Do you like it? Is it relaxing? Is it relaxing? Foxy, can you do it? Foxy likes it. Foxy, do it to Daddy. Well done. Super relaxing. Does it smell like? Smell good?
No.
What does it smell like?
Oh no.
Orange?
No.
Foxy, what did you tell me you had in your hair earlier?
Me.
What did you say you had in your hair? Did you say you had cat poo in your hair? Foxy, what's in your hair?
Cat poop.
Cat poop? I'd like to clarify. There is not cat poo in your hair. You're going to massage Daddy's face. Get Daddy's face. Get Daddy's face, Foxy. Get him. Pow, pow. What's happening, Foxy? Daddy tickling you. So it works nicely as a face massager, but it also works for tickling a toddler. More.
Enough.
Foxy, should we go in the car?
Make sure I come.
Yeah.
Daddy comes here.
Yeah.
Yummy comes here.
Yeah.
Nana comes here.
Nana not coming.
Young lads.
Granddad's in hospital. Granddad can't come.
Don't break that.
Ugh.
No.
Where are we going, Ari? Are we going to pick up a dresser
Yeah.
and look for sheds?
Yeah.
Can you turn the camera around and point it out and see where we're going? Are we driving?
Yeah. Kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
Can I turn the camera around?
Yeah, you can face yourself again, that's fine. You can do an Ari cam. What did you get in your advent calendar this morning?
Some coral and a pearl.
Pearl?
Yeah.
Where do pearls come from?
Clams.
Yeah, oysters.
Yeah.
Super cool. Do you think you'd like to eat an oyster?
No.
No?
Yeah.
What colour shed should we get?
Pink.
A pink one? What do you think Daddy will say?
Nice.
We'll say, haha.
Yeah.
Look how cute you are.
Yeah.
Right. Hi. We have picked up the dresser. The Kit Kats having their lunch. We just had Subway. How yummy was your Subway?
So good.
What did you have in your Subway?
A bowl with ham.
Anything else?
Cookie.
Anything else in your sandwich? Can you who had to eat their Subway in the car because they were so hungry? What did you have in your Subway?
Pepperoni.
What did Mummy have? Who can tell me what Mummy has in her Subway?
Crispy onion.
Yep.
And turkey. And some lettuce.
Yeah.
And
Something else.
it's
Cheese.
cheese.
And something.
Oh,
Yeah, honey mustard sauce and then something spicy.
jalapeno.
Jalapenos. Who else likes jalapenos?
Daddy and
Do you like them? Do you like them? So yeah, we were just about to go and do some jobs outside and it started chucking it down. So I think we're going to do some inside jobs. We're going to get the new dresser from the car and bring that in a house. And yeah, someone might be coming to buy our buggy later on. And then I think we're going to go in the loft. Are you going in the loft?
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not?
Spider.
Spiders. Can you show me what we got?
Yeah. Have it.
We got this for free from Facebook. It's lovely. It's got a little cupboard there and then another little cupboard and a drawer and then a little shelf and then more cupboard with shelves and then 2 more shelves. How nice is that? For free!
With one on the top.
My plants at the top. So cool. Yeah. Daddy's put the wreath up. I've got to put all these shoes in the charity shop bag. Yeah, this is going to be put on Facebook for free later on. Doing a good job. Who's going to go and play outside?
Me.
Go on then, off you go.
Mommy.
I'm pretty sure I've shown you absolutely nothing today. But we have not stopped. It is now 20 to 6 in the evening and we have been so busy. We've been up in the loft and I've got so much stuff to put on that I've just put on eBay, like all this. We've got 2 massive bags of charity shop stuff I've got in my car for tomorrow. And then loads of stuff that we've just binned as well. But I thought I would quickly come on because I re-signed up to Glossybox like maybe a week ago at the end of November. And I thought I would get the December box as my first box, but I didn't. I got the November box again. And this is the UK version 3. I've literally just opened it and I was filming, but my camera wasn't fucking filming. That's how much of a good day it's been. But this is, I paid for this myself. It's a 3-month subscription I signed up for. And this is version 3. You get the e.l.f. eyeshadow, which is lovely. The, what is that called again? Paper and perfume that everyone else said really nice, but I said smell like old ladies' houses, like when someone died and everyone laughed at me. Josephine Cosmetics highlighter in rose, which looked amazing. A hand scrub and then a sponge, and I've been using this ever since I got my PR box, and it is one of my favourite sponges ever. But I thought I would do a little giveaway because I obviously don't need this because I've got it. I had the PR one. And I thought I would do a little giveaway. So it's UK only, just because of time scales and stuff. I'm trying to show my address. I'll leave this open. What day is it today? The 5th. I'll leave this open until next Sunday, which will be... My brain can't do maths. I'll put it here. If you want to win, then comment and I can post it. I'll do it first class UK. So then if you want to give it to someone as a Christmas present or give it to yourself as a Christmas present, fucking rock on. What do I want to know? What do I want to know? Who else's Vlogmas are you watching? I'd love to know that. Who else's Vlogmas are you watching? Because of an evening, I like to watch Grimm. I'm currently rewatching the Grimm series, which I fucking love. I'm only halfway through season 1, but I forgot how much I love it. But sometimes when I'm a bit like, oh, it's scary. It's not scary, but I'm a wimp. I want to watch something else. So let me know whose Vlogmas you're watching. And yes, I am wearing the same t-shirt as yesterday because I am a minger. Yeah, I'll leave all the information down below. But I am going to go and put some slap on my face. I've got a box of goth over there that I want to film. And I've got a snack box downstairs that me and Ben are going to film once the wieners have gone to bed. So yeah, I will talk to you in a bit for the rest of the vlog, but that's the giveaway bit. What are you eating, little fish?
Octopus.
It's a skull.
That tastes good.
Is it sour, Ari? Mika, I want to see your reaction.
Fine.
They're good, aren't they? I think they're yummy. Ari did a really funny face.
I love them.
Yeah, me too.
Not sour at all.
Mummy doesn't think they're sour either. They're delicious. Are you flossing? Why are you flossing?
Yum.
Because they're yummy. Have you come to put your pajamas on? Good face, Ari. Right, go put your pajamas on. You just sucked all the sour off. Go put your pajamas on, you Wally. Who's coming upstairs? Foxy?
I do hammer.
You do hammer?
Walk properly in the bed.
You do hammer? What did you do with a hammer? What's he talking about? Where are you taking that? Where are you taking it? Yeah, where are you taking it? Oh, I see. I see.
Say bye. Say night to everyone.
Foxy, you gonna give everyone kisses? Nice kisses. Don't lick him. Can I have a kiss? Love you.
Take him to bed, my bed.
You ready, girls?
Yeah.
Go read the Christmasaurus?
Yeah.
Yeah. Aria.
Yeah.
It's bedtime. Well, it's not really bedtime. I'm lying. It's 7:52. But I have editing to do. I need to edit this video and 2 others. And I'm gonna watch Grimm. And I want to do a meal plan. So, for purposes of this video, it is bedtime. I shall see you tomorrow. I love you, bye.